I'm working on a found footage horror game. I know, original, right? But mine is taking place in a water park in the early 2000s. So for research, I bought the first camcorder that records on DVDs. The Sony DVD91e in this beautiful deep dark water blue. The cam was released 20 years ago under the Sony DVD Handycam line. This one here was the first one, that's why it still got VHS quality but runs on DVDs. Sony's DVD cams back in the day were actually the lightest cameras on the market due to their mini DVD driver instead of the bulky tape ones. Slim but kinda thick. This cam uses 8cm mini DVDs that could capture up to 60 minutes of footage on one disc. The mini DVDs were available in single use R and RW rewritable. The cam got 120x digital zoom, one slot for a light or an external mic, extractable viewfinder, a solid steady shot stabilization. You could edit your videos on the cam directly, and infrared night vision for ghost hunting. Here's some pretty creepy footage I took with the cam. Nice retro serial unaliver vibes, am I right? Would you swap your phone's camera with this beauty? Like and subscribe, stay retro.